President Yoweri Museveni byabigambira mukoro gwo kushoboza abapolisi omutwaro gumwe 17 abaherezo kutendekwa hari Police Training School Kabarye mu district ya Masindi. President Museveni arabwira abapolisi aba okwehara emizembe muri okunywa marwa okuza omu bakazi n'endijo eru kutamagara gabo mu kabi no kubaremesa okukora emirimo yabo.
So if a crime is committed like I did here in rural thefts, stealing goats, stealing what, stealing coffee from the gardens, this is easy to deal with. Because you already have the police dogs. Police dogs are very good. We introduce them, and the head of us are dealing with the criminals in massacre, the ones who are killing people. We got all of them.
President Museveni honori omudumizi w'amahega ya Uganda ninga shimwete commander in chief ashoborira abapolisi abangono bwarabe yasi emyaka 82 y'obukuru bonga habwo kumaja magarage akina manu go gukora exercise omuri za karate.
I am 82 years now, I'm about to be 82. But if you bring trouble home today, I can deal with those children who were. When I saw them doing the karate, I wanted to join them. So, health is really a weapon.
Abapolisi abashohozibwe bwanyuma yo kutendekwa emyezi 11 ababire barumba probational police constables kenda Rwenda 5 hamwe n'aba immigration officers 65.
The commander gives them words of such, the first searches, and the pointer alerts the rest of the section. They take up their positions, and that is adapting to the
All these, however, are disturbed by one problem: corruption. And I want, as I said in one of the speeches, we are really going to crush corruption. Fortunately, there are not some young people who are not happy with corruption, and anybody who is corrupt.
NRM historic mission is building an independent, integrated, and self-sustaining national economy. More than before, the achievement of this goal requires high demand for observance of law and order, the rule of law.
The Uganda Police Force is training and passing out 9,952 trainees in one go. This number represents an increase of 20.5% to the current manpower strength, which has been standing at 48,417.
Kutendeka abapolisi aba kugenderera hamwe mu guverinoma kugira ngo collaborative training geared towards people-centered service for socio-economic transformation. Omudumizi wa polisi Abbas byakagabagizire ngo abapolisi abashohozibwe no bakora obuchweka 25 harigana bw'abapolisi abari mu Uganda abari kwingana emitwaro 5,839 kandi hari aba emitwaro 13,737 n'abashiija. Byakaga bagizire ngo omuhendo gw'abapoliisi aba bakiro bake wagerageranisa n'omuhendo gw'abanyayuganda ogurikwingana miliyoni 49 ekirikumanyisa ngu omupoliisi omwe naaba nakoraho abantu barikuhika 839. Habwa TV West, Abdulkarim Sengendo.